Bright Side Physics channel. This is Prasad. I am going to discuss about the HC Verma solutions, chapter number 1, Introduction to Physics, the question number 7. Taking force, length and time to be the fundamental quantities, find the dimensions of A. Density, B. Pressure, C. Momentum and D. Energy. Here one note point we have to remember, that is force is equal to mass into acceleration. Whatever I wrote, this one plays a vital role in doing these problems. Now first of all we are going to discuss about the density. What is the formula for density? Density is equal to mass by volume. But what is force here? Mass into acceleration. Which one is missing here? Acceleration is missing. So that's why to make this formula to be as a force, first of all, mass by volume into multiply and divided with acceleration. That is acceleration divided by acceleration. Now mass into acceleration, what is that? Force by volume into again acceleration. Now I want to write the dimensional formula for this. First of all, force. What is our question? Taking force, length, time. So that's why force represented by means of F. That's all. Then volume can be represented by means of L cube, and acceleration is equal to L t to the power of minus 2. Now substitute here force F divided by L cube and L t to the power of minus 2. Now force L to the power of 4, here L to the power of minus 4 and t to the power of 2. This is the dimensional formula for density. Now I want to write the dimensional formula. Here density is equal to F L to the power of minus 4 and t square. This is the dimensional formula of density in terms of force, length and time. Now we are going to discuss about the B, that is pressure. Pressure. So what is the formula for pressure? Is equal to force by unit area, that is nothing but area. But what is required here? Pressure dimensional formula in terms of force, length, time. So here force, already we are having force, that means no need to apply this formula. Simply we will write that force, that is F, here area is equal to L square. We want to write the dimensional formula for pressure. So here P is equal to force, means what is that? F divided by area L square is equal to F L to the power of minus 2. It is the dimensional formula for pressure in terms of force, length and time. So here pressure, we will write like this here, F L to the power of minus 2. It is the dimensional formula for pressure. Now we are going to discuss about the momentum, that is C momentum. So here momentum formula, momentum is equal to mass into velocity, but I want to convert this one into force. That's why we should multiply and divide with acceleration. So here I will write like this: mass into velocity into acceleration divided by acceleration. Now mass into acceleration is nothing but force into velocity divided by acceleration. Now to write dimensional formula for momentum, first of all we have to write the dimensional formulas for this one. First, force is equal to F, and here velocity L t to the power of minus 1 and acceleration is equal to L t to the power of minus 2. Now to write the dimensional formula for momentum, here force and here velocity L t to the power of minus 1 divided by acceleration L t to the power of minus 2. Now here force, length cancel, and t to the power of minus 1 plus 2, that is plus 1. So that is we will take as F t to the power of 1. So now I want to write the dimensional formula here. Momentum is equal to, that is F t to the power of 1. Now in the question number 7, D, that is energy. Energy. So energy we will take as kinetic energy. So that is kinetic energy is equal to half mv square. So here m is nothing but mass, v is nothing but velocity. So here half into mass into velocity square. But I want to convert this one into force. Utilizing this, force is equal to mass into acceleration. So it should be multiplied by half into mass into velocity square into acceleration divided by acceleration. Now half mass into acceleration is nothing but force into velocity whole square divided by acceleration. But here force is equal to F and velocity is equal to L t to the power of minus 1 and acceleration is equal to L t to the power of minus 2. Now substitute in this one to get the dimensional formula for energy. So here first force F and here velocity square. So this square is nothing but L square t to the power of minus 2 divided by acceleration L t to the power of minus 2. Now the final F, here L square minus 1, that is L and here t to the power of minus 2, t to the power of minus 2 cancel. So the answer is FL. So the energy dimensional formula in terms of force, length and time is FL. Now here energy, this is FL. For watching my channel first time, please like, share and subscribe and send to your friends to get good information from our channel in future. Thank you very much.